So this is my gun here. It's an for A1 gun. So my mom and my grandma are talking. So this is where. So this is this.
Software update,
The
nag-update
clip.
ka dapat sa software.
Clip can be took. Look.
Para
Grab it.
maganda yung pag-update kasi bumibili siya.
Tapos ang gagawin mo?
See, here's its reloading. Can be put it back. So this is enough for A1. Oh, and this long part over here can be took off too. You just need to take it out. So there, I took it out. So here's my gun. And here's the end. Here's its. So this is my import A1. So bye guys.